Do you know your safest and riskiest drivers? Improving driver behavior can help fleets save on losses, reduce risks, and improve efficiency. Introducing DriveBuddy AI, an intelligent driver and fleet safety platform. A driving assistant powered by AI and vision-based technology that enhances driver behavior on the move. Now feel more protected with our AI assistant monitoring every second of your journey. DriveBuddy AI, a real-time driving assistant equipped with dual camera, GNSS and 9-axis inertial measurement unit, AI-driven voice-based alerts, drowsy driving, collision warning, distracted driving, tailgating, pedestrian detection.
Pedestrian ahead. Keep safe distance.
DriveBuddy AI continuously reviews, analyzes and reports real-time action
Keep your eyes on the road.
in a matter of seconds. From event videos to driver coaching, it provides you all the insights you need to make the job easier managing your fleet. In case of accident investigations, the on-demand data supports in faster claims processing and providing evidence for insurance companies. TOP evaluates individual driver scores, their driving patterns of distraction, braking, tailgating and observe your drivers improve with DriveBuddy AI Assistant. Identify your safest and riskiest drivers, incentivize them for operating the fleet safely to avoid critical accidents and encourage them to keep up the good work. Get your fleet safety data in form of actionable insights and realign to further improve the fleet efficiency while reducing risk and your insurance premiums. Begin a new level of transparency between drivers and fleet managers and open doors to efficient and effortless fleet management. Enhance your driving experience with DriveBuddy AI, an intelligent assistant for your fleet. And step into the future of mobility. Reimagine driving experience.